Hey guys, I'm back with another video for y'all, but this is a hair review from ULA Hair, 100% human hair, guys. So I'm gonna do an unboxing to show you guys what came inside the bag. Okay guys, so I got 3 bundles in the bag, guys. 3 deep wave 24-inch bundles. I don't know what style I'm gonna do yet, but something will come up, guys, and something really creative. Okay, so I got some lashes, 3D mink lashes, a wig cap, and I also got a rat tail comb. Isn't that lovely? You bought bundles, or you might bought a wig and you get lashes, you get a wig cap, you get a rat tail comb. That's a lot of token, guys. And this is a card. It seems like a thank you card, and it shows their Instagram, Facebook, and all that. And this is the instruction, guys. Shows you how to shampoo, the do's and the don'ts, the flat iron, and all of that inside, guys. So you should read it. So let's get into the tutorial, guys. So guys, I'm gonna do a half up, half down sewing, and I'm gonna do some stitch braids at the front. This is a braided pattern that I'm using, and this is one of the bundles, guys. As you can see, they tagged the bundle, right? I like that, and it says 100% human hair, and so far the strands are feeling really good, guys. So soft and silky. I'm not sure how much bundles I'm gonna use, but as we go along we'll see. But the 3 bundles will definitely complete the hairstyle. When I received the package, guys, I was so busy at work, but I definitely had to stop and feel the bundles. Texture, guys, so soft and silky. Definitely, I know that when you buy new human hair bundles, it will feel soft and silky, but at times, if you can notice, like the blunt ends, there may be a few blunt ends in the bundles, and when you put it on your skin, guys, you can feel some little sticking, but I didn't with these bundles. I tried it more than one, about 3 times, and I didn't feel none of that. Trust me, I really like these bundles. Guys, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so you can order your ULA hair bundles. And honestly, I think you should give them a try, even if you haven't thought about it. Just give them a try from this video, guys. And the next thing that I liked about it, the weft is not too thick. If you notice, I fold it, guys, and there's no bulging. It's totally flat, so the density of the hair is great, while the weft is not too thick. I don't like when the weft of the hair is too thick, guys. It's either you cut it, or if you're folding it, guys, you can fold it to the extreme top of the hair, because there will be a buffing, and I don't like that. That is just it looks tacky to me on my clients here or on myself, guys. So I rather to cut it more than use a thick weft. So guys, now it's braid up time. I'm using the shiny jam, and I'm gonna do some stitch braids at the front. No planned pattern, I'll just create something as I go along. Okay guys, we've come to the end of the video and this is the finished look guys. These are the curls. I honestly didn't want to wet them or comb them out guys, but guys, you can do it whichever way you please. I know honestly that it will still look good, trust me. So guys, remember to leave your comments down below. Remember to thumbs up the video and turn on your post notification bell, and don't forget that the link for the hair is in the description. See you again.